Okay, so I'm looking here at my number 2, and I have inside parentheses negative ab squared, all raised to the second power. And then inside parentheses I have 2b, also raised to the second power over here. Well, parentheses, not really going to help us out here, but exponents will. So we need to take this exponent, and remember we need to distribute it in. It's really important that you remember that negative sign means there's a negative 1 out front. So we are going to have to distribute that 2 to that negative 1, and we'll also distribute it to the a and the b. We're multiplying the exponents. So I now have negative 1 squared, a squared, because 1 times 2 is 2, and b to the 4th. And what's happening between these? Yeah, multiplication. So this might be a good time to keep things in parentheses, or you can use your dot, whichever way you would like to, but you need to remember that you are multiplying here. So this 2 needs to come in, it has to go to everybody, and I am multiplying. So I have 2 to the second, I have b to the second. Now at this point what I'd like to do is go ahead and evaluate these coefficients. So I have negative 1 squared. Remember that negative 1 was there, so that negative 1 is negative 1 times negative 1, which is just positive 1. So I have 1a squared b to the 4th times 2 to the second. 2 times 2 is 4, b squared. Now we're multiplying. With coefficients, we multiply the numbers, so 1 and 4 are 4. A squared, well, I only have 1a squared, so since I only have 1a, I'm just going to rewrite it. And then I have b to the 4th, b squared. So keep the base. We're multiplying, so we're going to add those exponents. And 4 plus 2 is 6.